Okay, so now it's June 12th and we're ready to harvest some things. This is really exciting. I'm trying not to be too precious about my plants because at some point the whole point is to harvest them and eat them instead of just watching how pretty they look. But first just wanted to point out this runt, this thing that I had at the other end initially that wasn't getting any sun. Of the 4 romaine heads I planted, this one just didn't grow, but it was still alive and I moved it, and now it's actually doing pretty well. So I'm excited that the little runt is gonna grow to fruition, hopefully, so we'll keep an eye on that. So we've got all this lettuce here. These romaine lettuce just looks beautiful. I mean, this is so cool. I mean, this leaf is gotta be, this has gotta be a foot long and a good 6 inches wide. I mean, they're bright green, they're really healthy, and I'm really excited. I've got 3 of these really good ones. And then we've got this bib lettuce that's also just, it's just amazing how big and green and lush this is. So we're going to take some leaves off and see if we can do the cut and come again method, which is where we take the outside leaves off, leave the crown for it to keep growing, and hopefully we'll have salad week after week. So let's do the cutting. All right, so I'm a little nervous here. This is my first time cutting things without taking it off. So what I'm gonna do with my beautiful romaine here is start taking the outer leaves off and try and leave the crown in the middle and the main stalk so they keep growing. And the idea is that I can take the outer leaves off and eat them, and then the newer flowers from inside will grow more, and I'll be able to do that over and over again, hopefully all summer. So let's see. So here we go. I'm gonna cut this outer leaf off. And again, what's cool about these the hydroponic system is I could literally take the whole thing out and just cut them individually. And look at this one. This one's got to be 6 inches, 8 inches tall. Okay, now we're going to move on to the bib lettuce. This one. Look at that big, beautiful piece of lettuce right there. Smells like lettuce. Here's the first thing that I harvested from my hydroponic garden. There's a huge head of bib lettuce that my wife has cut and cleaned. So it's huge. And I've already eaten a couple pieces and it's pretty good. Huge head. I can't believe how big it is. It's awesome. Here's my first batch of cilantro that I harvested from the hydroponics. These are great. Look how big they are, and break them open. They smell great. And in anticipation of this, I went out and I bought some avocados, so I'm gonna make some guac with my fresh cilantro. So I'm really happy with my first harvest. As you saw from the videos, I got tons of romaine lettuce, tons of bib lettuce, and more cilantro than I know what to do with. And as you can see from these pictures, I've had some subsequent harvests, actually about 3 with the cut and come again method. So as I mentioned, that as I pull the leaves off, the outer leaves off the bottom, new stalks grow in the middle, and I've since done the cut and come again method 2 or 3 times, and it's still going strong. So there you go, first harvest of the 2024 hydroponics season. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for an update on the tomatoes and everything else.